Where's this?
This is a test.
Oh, monthly test?
Oh boy. Oh no.
Here comes the tester.
Child abduction.
Oh dear God.
The Pennsylvania State Police has issued an Amber Child Abduction alert for the Penn Hills Police Department, Allegheny County. The Penn Hills Police Department is searching for Marjani Aquil, a 16-year-old black female, 5 foot 4 inches, 140 pounds, with long black hair and blonde highlights. She is wearing a gray long-sleeve shirt, light blue denim jeans, and tan boots. She was last seen on Wednesday, January 16, 2019, at approximately 3:15 p.m. on Glenbrook Drive in Penn Hills, Allegheny County, PA. The child was abducted by Jermaine McClain Rogers, a 19-year-old black male, 5 feet 8 inches, 160 pounds, with black hair and brown eyes. Rogers is operating an older red sedan. Anyone with information should call 911 or Allegheny County Dispatch at 412-473-3705. Repeating, the Pennsylvania State Police has issued an Amber Child Abduction alert for the Penn Hills Police Department, Allegheny County. The Penn Hills Police Department is searching for Marjani Aquil, a 16-year-old black female, 5 foot 4 inches, 140 pounds, with long black hair and blonde highlights. She's wearing a gray long-sleeve shirt, light blue denim jeans, and tan boots. She was last seen on Wednesday, January 16, 2019, at approximately 3:15 p.m. on Glenbrook Drive in Penn Hills, Allegheny County, PA. The child was abducted by Jermaine McClain Rogers, a 19-year-old black male, 5 feet 8 inches, 180 pounds, with black...
Sounds like you were really there for them.
Hey, did you just flip the channel?
No.
Well, nice going, TV broadcasters. You failed. Bad relay, and you missed the EOM. Now, where's my Midland? A kid got abducted. Canyon?
130s. Lows in the mid-20s.
Okay. Did my Midland go off at all?
No.
Highs in the lower
It must
40s.
not have relayed this CAE over NWR yet.
This hazardous weather outlook is for eastern and west Virginia, northern and central Virginia, and central and western Maryland, with the exception of Marion County. Day 1, tonight. Areas of freezing.
Okay, if I hear that thing go off, I'm coming. Because, I mean, it's my first ever child abduction emergency caught on video. I mean, it just pains my heart to see that people would abduct children. Let's see. Oh boy.